Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I am going to show you how to twist a profile along the path to create a bracelet like this in SolidWorks. So keep watching this video till end. Before starting this part, let me show you how to apply shortcut keys in SolidWorks. So for that, click on this arrow in front of options and then select customize. From here select keyboard and type the command for which you want to apply a shortcut key. For example, at the moment I am going to apply C as a shortcut key to circle command. So type here circle, then in the shortcut column type here C. It shows an error that C key is already assigned to a command collapse tree. Do you want to change the assignment to tools circle? Click yes and then press OK button. So in the same way you can also apply your desired shortcut keys to all commands in SolidWorks.
Further, let me introduce you to my YouTube channel SolidWorks Tutorials and Engineering News, where you will find a huge quantity of videos regarding SolidWorks and engineering. So please don't forget to press subscribe button and this bell icon for all upcoming video notification.
Let's start. Press this button or Ctrl plus N key from your keyboard and start from a new part. Then click on this top plane and sketch on it. Now draw a circle and start it from origin. Now click on this circle and type the diameter, which is 2.5 inch. IN is the shortcut for inch. Press OK button. Now press this button to save and exit from sketch. Now once again click on front plane and then sketch on it. Make normal to by pressing Ctrl plus 8 key from your keyboard, or if you don't have normal to key here, you can also right click here and then select this command standard views. So here is normal to key. Drop it here. So press it. Now again draw a sketch by using line. Press escape button. Now select both of these lines and make their relation perpendicular. Similarly, select both of these lines and make their relation perpendicular. Now select or press Ctrl key from your keyboard and select both of these lines. Make their relation parallel. Now select a center line from here and then join both of these lines. Click on this center line and make it horizontal. Select both of these points and make their relation vertical. Now define it. Total length is 8 millimeter. Now select both of these lines and make their relation equal. Select a point from here and drop it on this corner. Now right click on the point and fix it. Select this midpoint and then the point. Make their relation coincident. Our sketch is now fully defined. Now select fillet command. Fillet radius is 1.5 millimeter and then select all these corners one by one. Press OK button. Now go to Features tab and from here select Swept Boss Base command. This circle is our path and this sketch is our profile. Click on this box of profile and then select the profile and then the path. Now we want to twist the profile along the path. So for that click or drop down these options and then scroll down. Click on these options profile twist and then select this option specify twist value. In the twist control drop down these options and then select revolutions and type here the revolutions which are 4 and press OK button. Now we have to apply the material to this bracelet. So right click here on materials and then select edit material. Scroll down. Drop down these options for other metals and from here select pure gold, then apply and close. From here select perspective. So this is how we have to create the bracelet like this in SolidWorks. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Thanks for watching and sparing time.